It starts with silence. Then, chaos. In minutes, your systems freeze, your data encrypted, your business held hostage. This is a ransomware attack. Every 11 seconds, a business somewhere falls victim to ransomware. Data lost, trust shattered, operations paralyzed. But what if recovery didn't depend on paying criminals? What if technology and expertise could outsmart the attacker and bring your business back safely? Introducing Seqrite Ransomware Recovery as a Service, an expert-led recovery solution that restores your data, reclaims your operations, and rebuilds your confidence without ever paying the ransom. Led by ransomware specialists, RRaaS uses proprietary cryptanalysis and advanced decryption methods to identify, isolate, and restore even against the most complex ransomware variants. Our process is precise: containment, forensic preservation, decryption, validation, and restoration. Because recovery isn't just about restoring files, it's about restoring trust, reputation, and resilience. Powered by 30-plus years of cybersecurity innovation, law enforcement partnerships, and quantum-ready automation, Seqrite RRaaS redefines ransomware recovery. When ransomware strikes, you don't negotiate. You recover with Seqrite.